Hi everyone, it's Linda, your Norwex sales consultant, and I'm talking about the Ultra Power Plus laundry detergent by Norwex. It is free and clear. It is safe to use on all your Norwex. If you don't use the Norwex laundry detergent, be sure to get a free and clear laundry detergent without any fillers, colors, brighteners. Any of that can eliminate the benefits of the Norwex microfiber. So today is laundry day. I'm using my Ultra Power Plus, and I'm using the consultant recommended 1 teaspoon, not the full scoop, because it is so powerful. You really only need a teaspoon. So I'm going to dump that in my washer. Start the water on hot, full load, even if I don't have a full load, because I've got an HE washing machine and it only doesn't let me adjust the levels. But right now, while this is filling, I have all of my Norwex sitting in the stationary tub soaking. I put a little bit of microfiber booster in here, and let's see, it's pretty gray. So like the water and the microfiber booster are helping release the dirt out of those cloths, because they just pick up everything. I also soak them before I wash them, because they are so absorbent that if I throw them in dry, they're going to absorb all the water in my washer, and I can't adjust the water level. So that's my tip today. I'm just going to pull them out of the stationary tub wet once this fills and wash away. I throw all my Norwex in together, whether it's my mop pad, my body cloths, everything goes in together, and I do it about every 2-3 weeks. So that's my laundry tip on how to launder your Norwex cloths. Thank you.